Hey there, fellow freelancers and audio enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable information about exciting career opportunities. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the application process for freelance audio transcribers at Research Transcriptions. Research Transcriptions is a US-based company that provides professional transcription services. They specialize in transcription work for various fields, including medical, marketing, and health sciences. Research Transcriptions is committed to providing trustworthy and reliable transcription services. And luckily, Research Transcriptions is currently accepting applications for freelance transcribers. However, it's important to note that Research Transcriptions hires transcriptionists from within the United States and does not hire transcriptionists from all around the world. Let's dive right into the application process. Step 1. Visit their website. Check for the link in the description of this video. This is where you'll find all the information you need to apply for the position. Take your time to navigate through the website and familiarize yourself with the company's services and requirements. On the website, you'll find a variety of helpful sections. The About Us page provides insights into the company's background, mission, and values. The Transcription Careers page is where you'll find detailed information about the application process, requirements, and benefits of working with Research Transcriptions. Step 2. Submit your application. You can do this directly on the Research Transcriptions website. Look for the Careers link at the footer area of their website. It will open a dedicated page for this. The page will guide you through the necessary steps to complete your application. Step 3. Make sure to fill out the form accurately and double-check your contact information. You don't want to miss any follow-up communication from the Research Transcriptions team. Step 4. Wait for a response. The Research Transcriptions team will review your application thoroughly and assess your qualifications. This process may take some time, so be patient and keep an eye on your email inbox. If you're shortlisted, you'll be contacted for further evaluation, which may include a test or an interview. If you successfully pass the evaluation process, you'll be officially welcomed to the Research Transcriptions team as a freelance audio transcriber. You'll receive detailed instructions on how to get started, including guidelines, software tools, and access to the available transcription projects. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Research Transcriptions website, start your application, and let your transcription journey begin. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.